When we say that a new spirit or a new heart is given to us, we don't mean that we cease to be the human being that we were before the new birth. The human being, the morally accountable, responsible self of John Piper before I was born again, is the same human being, the same morally accountable human self as after I was born again. That's why the imagery of water and cleansing is necessary. Because if we conceived of the newness of the new creation or the newness of the new life to obliterate the human being that was before, there'd be nothing there to forgive. There'd be nothing there to cleanse. The whole concept of you need cleansing means you're there. You're not gone. And you're always going to be there. It's you. You and me bring to this thing our record. And we don't just need to be fixed up, made new. We need some cleanup and some forgiveness. Now, I know that Paul says things like, our old self was crucified. We have died with Christ. Consider yourselves dead to sin. Put off the old self. But there's no reason to take that in some kind of philosophical stretch to mean the human being who was there that just got born again is not that human being anymore. We have an old character that needs changing, an old principle that needs abolishing, old nature that needs renewing, an old bent that needs to be pushed in another direction. But as far as obliterating the John Piper who was born of the flesh, he doesn't. And you could just go back and look at the pictures. So I think the way to think about the new heart and the new spirit and the new nature is that it's still you, and you need to be cleansed and forgiven for all the stuff you did when you were 4, 10. You need forgiveness for that. That's why he died. They didn't disappear out of existence. Well, we don't have to deal with that anymore. That's gone. Nothing needs to be forgiven there. That's poof, it's annihilated. No way. We desperately need that forgiven today. I need to walk in the consciousness that everything I brought to this humanity and everything I've performed in this humanity is forgiven, cleansed.